Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's been a while, but again I'm back with more interview experiences, stories, and tips along with some insights. So, without any further delay, let's get started. In today's video, I'll share another interview experience of TCS Ninja. So, I'll start with the very first question, that is self introduction. So, in self introduction, you have to mention your educational background, your technical skills, and your project experiences. Now, the next question is why TCS? So, whenever your interviewer will ask such kind of questions like why do you want to join TCS? So, what you have to do, you have to convince your interviewer in a way like TCS is your first priority because it provides some learning opportunities and a supportive work environment. So as a fresher, you can you will get the right platform where you can build your career and grow professionally. So this is how you can explain it. Now let's discuss some technical questions. What is the difference between C and C++? So C is a procedural language while C++ supports both procedural and object-oriented programming. And C++ also has features like classes, inheritance and polymorphism. Next question is difference between MongoDB and MySQL. So MongoDB is a NoSQL database storing unstructured data. On the other hand, MySQL is a relational database for structured data, and MongoDB uses collection and documents. Meanwhile, MySQL uses table and rows. Now moving back to the next question, explain any of your project. तो आपने जो भी प्रोजेक्ट में काम किया है, आपका वहाँ से जो भी प्रोजेक्ट आप एक्सप्लेन करना चाहते हो वो आप एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हो. So you have to explain your project briefly, the objective and the technology stacks that you have used. This is how you have to tackle the question. Now moving back to the next one, how much data size did you use? So you have to mention the approximate data size that you have used and how you have handled it. Along with that, you have to explain that too. Now the next question, in your project you have mentioned that ML stands for machine learning. So how did you do that? So कैंडिडेट का जो भी प्रोजेक्ट था वहाँ पे कैंडिडेट ने मशीन लर्निंग का कॉन्सेप्ट यूज़ किया था. दैट्स वाई उनको ये क्वेश्चन पूछा गया था. सो you have to explain, if you use the concept of machine learning, in that case you have to explain the algorithm that you have used or that you will use along with the Python libraries and how will you train and test the model. You have to explain all those things together. Now the next one, what is Git and GitHub? Again, this is a technical question. So Git is a version control system that tracks changes in code, whereas GitHub is a platform for hosting and managing the Git storage locations. Explain and write at least 5 Git commands. So Git commands are git init, git clone URL, git add dot, git commit -m, that is for message, and git push. Now moving back to the next question, tell me about your family. So आपके फैमिली के बारे में आपको बोलना होगा. Next question is, if you are given higher package in your hometown and lower in TCS, and very far, what will you choose? If you want to join TCS, then you have to answer accordingly. Now moving back to the last question. What will you choose among learning, growth and job security? In that case, your answer should be learning only, because as a fresher, you have to be courageous enough to learn new things. So you can answer it in that way. So that's it for today, guys. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more interview experiences. And best of luck with your TCS journey. See you in the next video.